Hi guys, it's Tony bringing you another description. Today we're opening up the Oculus Quest. I got this from Curry's. This is what's on the back of it. So the box actually weighs in to about 2 kilos, something like that. So we're going to take a little unboxing of this, see what's in the box. Right. First thing you do is slide off the cover, and then it comes with a nice Oculus sign on there, which is kind of like neat. The next thing you know, you just lift the box up like that, and inside you'll see Oculus Quest, which is the headset. This is just an unboxing, it's not a demonstration. This is actually what you get. So you take the headset off. That's my hand, so it's giving you an idea of like the size of that. It shows you before you start, install the Oculus app on your phone. On the front you can see the 4 cameras. Alright, so we put that to one side. Next you get the 2 controllers, which of course they come with the hand straps so they don't fly out your hand. That's what's in there. They feel pretty solid to me. Next we're going to take a look at what's inside the box that comes with it. It's got the Oculus Quest on the side of it, and we open it up, and there's your plug for charging the Oculus. There's another, that's for the, I believe that's for the actual face glasses or something, I can't remember. There's a couple of batteries in there as well. Right, these are just alkaline batteries, standard stuff. Right, and inside that as well, you've got the reference guide. You've also got Oculus Quest. You've also got inside, which is the black charge lead. So this all comes in one box. That's what you get for your money. I opted for the 64 gig because I'm not interested in downloading heavy games or anything like that. It's just more the type of games I'll be putting on will just be simple games, but still a lot of good games out there. So I thought I'll show you that. The also thing that they have in here, which is the, I believe you put the batteries in here. That's it. But that's another description. You guys have probably seen millions of how these all go. But really, that's what the batteries are for. But that's just a quick look at the Oculus Quest, what's in the box video. Thanks for coming along. I'm sure there's millions of videos out there, but I'll show you exactly what I got off Curry's PC World for £399. Final touches, people have mentioned about the weight on the front. I'm going to try it on now. I'll show you a quick look at that one. So this is literally just me with a headset on, and you can feel it is a bit front heavy, but I think once you do the straps up, I think that'll sort that out. So yeah, good headset, feels very solid. I'm pleased with that. Very good headset that. Yeah, so I'll be looking forward to trying it out. Thanks guys for watching, and I shall see you later. The one thing I would test out is glasses. I'm going to just go back to, this is me just wearing glasses. If you extend it back, you can get your glasses on. So that's a good idea, because I wear reading glasses. But yeah, that's just a quick unboxing, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Would I recommend buying that? Well, until I try it, I don't know, but it feels real solid. Really good piece of kit. And the last thing, this reminds me of the sort of HTC Vive I tried in Latvia. That's that sort of quality. So, okay, well, thank you. Like, subscribe, catch you later.